Enterprise security traditionally requires a lot of hardware, servers, field devices, controllers, and more. And with that, the need to maintain system uptime and expertise. It can be very complex and resource-intensive. It can also get very expensive. Verifsuite Enterprise is a program ideal for progressive global companies and large enterprises, designed to tackle three key challenges in enterprise security: high CapEx, unpredictable running costs, and inconsistent support. The design, build and run approach means that resource, maintenance and support challenges will be a thing of the past. We'll design your security solution to your needs. We implement the solution, then manage and completely support your system 24/7. Together with a pay-as-you-use model, you'll start faster, implement faster, have clarity on cost, and have no worries on maintenance or warranty. Verifsuite Enterprise. This is what we call common sense security.